welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So how are you all doing today? I'd like to hear down in the comments section below how your life is, what's going on. So today, I made myself eggs and blueberries, and I'm going to be talking about positivity, morning breakfast for positivity and happiness. And I know this sounds crazy, but it's food, and yes, food can help you become happier, or feel more positive in life. And I want to share with you some of the foods I like to have in the morning. Once in a while, whenever we have it, whenever I have it in my house, or if I go and buy it, I'll go and do that too, because they're healthier for you. It just creates a healthier impact, especially in the morning, because it is the most important meal of the day, right? Get your brain going, get your energy going, and yeah. Anyways, before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my blog below, and let's go! Hi guys, sorry. Okay, so I forgot to say something during the introduction. I did move the scenery because I wanted to hear the birds chirp, because I love the birds chirping in the morning. Call me weird, call me whatever, but I love it. It's relaxing, it's calming, and it creates a positivity in my life, or it makes my mind more positive. It's relaxing. It's cute. I love birds. I don't want one of my own, but I love birds. Anyways, so if you've ever heard of the app called Influencers, well, I started with it a couple months ago, and I got my first box, I think it's called, from Rickson, and this is the face mask that I have on right now, and it's this one right here. I'll take it out of the box. You're only supposed to use it twice a week, and leave it on for about 15 minutes to 20, and you're supposed to put it on with not a wet face, but a dry face, is what it said on the directions. And yeah. So anyways, so if you hear noise in the background, it's because we have a little froggy. My sister bought a little froggy. I love all animals, so really I'd be like the crazy animal lady that had all her animals in her house, but I'm not going to be. I can't be like that. Anyways, so that's like the filter that's making the noise in the background, because she put it in a new aquarium thing. Anyways, so going back to breakfast, the best kind of breakfast to feel happy during the day, or make yourself more positive, or feel healthier during the day, whatever it is that you want to feel in the morning, that will start your day, and that will journey like along your day, or whatever, if that makes sense. So like, you start out positive, you're just going to stay positive, right? If you start out negative, you're just going to feel sad all day, and you don't want that. I don't want that. I hate feeling negative all day. Hate it, hate it, hate it. You gotta look for positivity. The other day, I failed the test for the same test for the third time, and I came out smiling, because I know I'm gonna get it the next time, and I know I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna give up. Anyways, let's move on to what I have to say about breakfast, or what I like about breakfast, or what I want to eat during breakfast. Oh my god, I can't talk. Sorry. So one is, sometimes I like to have yogurt and honey. Yogurt and honey are like amazing. I just love honey, and it's a better sugar substitute. It's better for you than actual unnatural sugar. Or if you want to add some Nutri-Grain and some fruit, love blueberries. Blueberries are the best. Blueberries, I love them. I don't know why. They're my favorite fruit. I go blueberry picking with my dad once a year, once or twice a year, and we get like 5 buckets of them. So literally all I eat for fruit, well, I eat other fruits too, but I just eat the wild blueberries. I don't even eat them from a grocery store because we have lasted over a year with our wild blueberry picking. And I could vlog about it, and I will show you a video too when I go, because I'm going again this year. Last year I went, I got a couple pail buckets full, and I'm excited. So yeah, so that too is eggs. Everyone loves eggs in the morning. I love eggs. Um, so what I do is I like to scramble them with a little bit of milk and just put a tiny bit of margarine on the pan, or if you have a non-stick pan then you don't even need the margarine, you just need the milk and the eggs. They're both very healthy for you. Dairy is healthy for you and it's not healthy for you. So like it's like this kind of a candy, like if you have too much of it, it's not good. But having some milk in your eggs is not a bad thing at all. Because milk does help you grow your bones. Sometimes I'll have it over easy, sunny side up. I don't like it well done or anything because it just has like that raunchy smell, and I won't be interested in the eggs anymore, and it won't be appetizing to me. One thing I really like is if I scramble my eggs, I'll slice up some bananas, and depending when they are ripe, so if they're a little bit brown, I'll eat them, but if they're green and yellow, I will not eat them. They are not my type. And so what I do with the banana is I slice it up, and then I take a bowl and a little tiny like mini appetizer bowl, and I'll take the spoon, or oh my god, sorry, I'm getting a text message and I was reading it, I got distracted. And I'll just fill up the bowl of peanut butter, and then I'll like take the banana and dip it in the peanut butter, and it's so good that way. It's actually a good snack that I love to eat. So even without the egg, some days I'll just take that and eat it as a snack. So 4 is avocados on toast. I like this because it's also kind of like a brunch in a way. So it's like you get your avocados, but you also get toast, and it's a morning breakfast, and avocados are super healthy for you, but you cannot eat them every day. So I do this in moderation because they're too healthy for you to eat every day. And then obviously you can have a smoothie if you're not feeling food. Just drink a smoothie, you know, it's all fruit, all natural. And when I was in high school, I would make so many different kinds of smoothies. I'd go from oranges to apples to greens to bananas in there to yogurt to maybe a little bit of milk, not a whole lot, to blueberries. Blueberries were always in my smoothie because they are my favorite. I love blueberries. And then, of course, cereal. You can't pass up on cereal, right? Sometimes, and you just have to add fruit and not vegetables. I don't know why I say vegetables. If you want to add vegetables, go right ahead. But fruit is so good in cereal. Blueberries are my favorite, again, in cereal. I will eat blueberries anywhere I go. Anyways, that is it for today. So literally blueberries every day. Eat them. I could eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner because they are so good. I can't get sick of blueberries. Anyways, have a lovely day. I will see you all next time. Let me know in the comments below what you like to eat for breakfast and what makes your day more positive. Bye.